Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, tingnan natin, check natin, emotion ng person na iniisip mo. Okay, so madali lang, check lang natin. Okay, anyway, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me. Ganun rin po, no? Pagdating po sa ating mga items. So, protection from evil eye, love bracelet, granter, and cord cut. Okay. So, let's start. Excuse me. Air signs. This is for air signs. The person you're thinking. Tingnan natin ano ba ang emosyon, feelings, iniisip. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. So, sino ba to? Anong meron sa kanya? Air signs. Okay. Nine of Cups in reverse. Sino? Si Nine of Cups in reverse. The unfulfilled wish. Sabihin natin hindi ka mapasa kanya. Hindi ka niya makuha. Or sabihin natin mahirap makuha. Could be water sign. Yeah. The Four of Cups in reverse. Ikaw ang, sabihin natin the one that got away nito. Or pwedeng vice versa. Or pwedeng siya yung the one that got away mo. Okay? Ayaw nito na kung kayo ay magkasama, ayaw nito na mawala ka. Hindi nito kaya, no, na mawala ka, parang ganyan. Anyway, there's codependency for some of you. Pero specific, hindi ka makuha or hindi mangyari yung dapat mangyari. The Four of Cups in reverse could be, yun nga, pwedeng the one that got away. Some of you, kung kayo ay magkahiwalay ngayon. So, what is their emotion right now for you? Their emotion. Let's see. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Feeling nila, nilalayuan mo na sila. Feeling nila, hinihindian mo. No? Na-avoid mo. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Feeling nila talagang kinat off mo na sila totally. Yes. Kinakailangan ka niya. They're in pain. Some of them, pwedeng nagtiwala sa'yo itong taong to, pero parang feeling niya, binetray mo siya. Yes. Okay? So, some of you, talagang hindi mo malalaman yun kasi kinukuha natin kung anong meron pagdating sa kanya. They want this, the Four of Wands. They want stability, they want connection, relationship with you, long term. Okay? So, what is their next action? This week. What is their next action? This week. The King of Wands in reverse. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Some of them, nandito yung pagganti. Yes. Pagganti in a way na parang kikilala ng iba, gugusto ng iba. Ace of Cups. Papasok agad sa isang connection because they're in pain. Okay? Gusto nila na parang maalis yung kung ano mang nararamdaman nilang pain sa ngayon. Okay? Yeah, the Fool. Mag-start to ng fresh. Kung ano mang bago, magtatrayan. Okay? Kasi pagdating sa'yo, tingin nila wala na sila magagawa Parang feeling nila talaga is like wala na to. Okay? Advice. The Emperor. Okay, kanya-kanya kung anong dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng separation or what. Sa ngayon, ang mahalaga is kung ano ang parang sa tingin mong kailangan. Yun ang pagtuon ng pansin. Okay? Just be the emperor. Alam ni emperor kung anong mali, kung anong tama, kung anong dapat. Okay? Yeah. The Five of Pentacles. Some of you hindi nyo gusto yung nararanasan nyo ngayong separation. Even though, yes, mahirap, hindi okay, pero parang kailangan eh. Parang kailangan. Yung taong to kinakailangan ka. Sino bang hindi mangangailangan sa isang emperor? Okay? So, sa tingin ko, kung anong dapat, yun ang sundin. Kahit mahirap sa umpisa, lalo na kung may separation dito at tingin nyo, you're the one that got away, vice versa. Piliin kung anong dapat, kung anong tama. Okay? So, yeah, the King of Cups. Alam ko na pwedeng, nandun pa rin yung love ninyo for each other. Nakakaramdam ako sa taong to na parang binitray mo siya. Kasi parang isinuko mo siya eh. Pwedeng nag-expect sa'yo itong taong to. Ng lahat-lahat. Pwedeng ikaw to sa kanya. So, fit nyo lang yung sarili nyo kung saan kayo. Okay? So, kung di naman nakaka-resonate or hindi ka nakaka-resonate sa reading, then this is not your read. Okay? So, wag mo i-fit yung sarili mo sa hindi naman dapat. Okay? So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's check your person's emotion. Okay. This week. Your person's emotion for you. This week. Sino ba to? Tingnan natin. Who is this? Kuha tayong description ng person. Page of Cups. Somebody na pwedeng mas bata sa'yo or pwedeng ikaw itong mas bata. Could be a water sign. Cancer yan. Meron ditong Cancer yan. Pisces. Okay. Five of Wands. May narinig akong word troublesome. I don't know why. Some of them, they're too immature. Lagi na lang kumukuha ng, alam mo yun, pansin. Sabihin natin parang, andun yung tantrums. Hindi ko alam bakit. May ganong energy yung person. Six of Cups. Some of them, may chance na gusto ka and laging gusto niya makuha yung attention mo. Okay? Ano tong Five of Wands? Andun yung cry baby. I don't know. Nakakuha ko ng ganun sa kanya. Like, madali siyang umiyak. Okay, emotional. Itong taong to, fire signs. What's with this Five of Wands? Yeah, Two of Cups. Madali siyang ma-attach. Some of them. Okay. May malaki kayong age gap. Huge age gap. Some of you. Nakaramdam siya ng strong connection with you. Okay, attachment. Ito nga, Two of Cups. Sabi ko kanina. Madaling ma-attach. So, attach sa'yo itong taong to. Some of them, they're feeling sabihin natin, nakakaramdam ng jealous itong taong to whenever you're giving attention, time, effort, kung kanino man. Gusto nyo to kanya lang. Anyway, so what is their emotion right now for you? Okay. Oh, dalawa. The Eight of Cups in reverse. Five of Cups. Excuse me. Page of Swords. Pwedeng hindi kayo nagkakasundo nitong taong to ngayon. Okay? Sabihin natin may away na nangyari or hindi pagkakaintindihan. Kaya misunderstanding. Hindi naman lalayo tong taong to. They're regretting something. They have regrets. Okay? They have regrets. Meron tong something na parang hindi ma-move onan sa kung ano man ang nangyaring misunderstanding sa inyong dalawa. Like, ayokong intindihin. Parang ganun. Ayokong intindihin. May ganun siya. Their back is turned. Like, ayoko. Parang ganun. Ayoko. May pagmamatigas. Sign of their immaturity. Okay. So, let's see. What is their next action towards you? They won't go anywhere, actually. They won't go anywhere. Next action, let's see. The Three of Wands, yeah. Talikod pa rin. Tinatalikuran ka pa rin. May pagtatampo ako nakukuha sa taong to, fire signs. I don't know why. Feeling nila, parang, nandun yung parang batang nagtatampo. Yung energy na parang batang nagtatampo sa'yo. Nagtatampo sa'yo tong taong to. Three of Wands in reversed. Nine of Wands in reversed. It's Six of Wands in reverse. That's jealousy. Hahayaan ka nito. Kuhang-kuha ko yung energy ng taong to na parang sobrang bata or immature lang. Andun yung sobra siyang magtampo. Sobrang magtampo, sobrang magselos. Parang papakita sa'yo, walang pakialam sa'yo. Walang pakialam sa kung anong sitwasyon nyo. Okay? Nakakaramdam ako na parang nagtampo sa'yo tong taong to kasi yun nga, pwedeng specific ha. Ikaw ay nagpakita or nagbigay ng pansin sa iba. Yun lang. And then, yun na, doon na nagsimula. Okay. Advice, outcome for you, fire signs. Judgment. The Nine of Cups. Let them know kung anong kailangan lang makita dito. Okay? Let them know. Yeah, the Knight of Swords in reverse. Wala kang kailangan gawin dito. It's for them na makaintindi. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan ipaintindi kung anong kailangan intindihin nito. Kailangan lang mag-grow. Yun ang nakikita ko. Okay? Kasi kapag inintindi mo ng inintindi, yung mga ganitong ugali, walang mangyari. Okay? So, yeah, Eight of Wands, Four of Swords, kung may mga kailangan kang sabihin, or sabihin natin may mga nasabi ka na ipaintindi, okay na yun, that's enough. It's up to them kung mag-step up sila, ay intindihin nila yung mga dapat intindihin. Okay? Hindi dapat ito parang kasi yung feeling ko para siyang parang tawag dyan, spoiled. Parang na-spoiled. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for you. Let them know kung anong nangyayari. Let them know kung anong nasasabi or nagagawa nila. Let them know. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng way. Hayaan mong sila na lang. Next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see Your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings. So, sino ba to? Water signs. Excuse me. Who is this? The King of Swords in reverse. The Liar. Okay, they have secrets. They're not open. Some of them, they're too scared. Chicken. They're too chicken. Okay, the Lovers in reverse, the Chariot in reverse. Pwedeng hindi kayo magkarelasyon, magkakonect ng taong to sa ngayon. Pwedeng tinalikuran mo tong taong to kasi sabihin natin something is hindi tama. What's with this King of Swords in reverse? Anong meron pa sa kanya? Two of Swords in reverse. It could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Could be any sign. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Ito yung parang gusto mo pero hindi tama na tao para sa'yo. Ay! Okay, sabihin natin gusto mo tong taong to pero hindi siya yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Diba? Yes! Okay. Yun yung specific. Anyway, let's see. What is the emotion? What is their emotion for you? The Eight of Cups in reverse. Okay, and the Two of Wands in reverse. The Sun in reverse. Meaning, sabihin natin some of you, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng connection nitong taong to na sikreto. Sikreto lang. Ano to? Secret affair? Is this? Secret affair. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. So, a lot of overthinking, being stuck, no leveling up. Okay? So, their emotion right now, they're trying to move on. Okay? Pero sa tingin ko, they feel stuck pa rin. Maybe, energetically or sa frequency, stuck pa rin kayo nitong taong to. May mapapansin kayo sa mga sitwasyon nyo sa buhay-buhay, parang merong hindi umuusad. Pwedeng ito yung dahilan. Okay? Open siya for other opportunities. Actually, open siya. Seven of Wands. So, alam na niya paano magbigay ng limit. Yeah, hindi pa rin nakaka-move on sa'yo tong taong to, pero they know kung paano yun kokontrahin. Yeah, alam nila kung paano yun kokontrahin. Yeah, the Two of Cups. So, we have here angel number 222. For you, water signs. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba ang next action niya towards this? Towards you? Or sa situation? Page of Wands. Okay. King of Pentacles. This is sabihin nating ang focus nito is puro career, pera, responsibilities. Okay, and the Ten of Cups is here in reverse. Sabihin nating yeah, they're lonely, feeling incomplete. Okay, so some of them focus nila is magkaroon ng bago pagdating sa buhay. Hindi po person ha. Pwedeng tungkol sa pera. Business, mga ganyan. Okay? Sa totoo lang, kung magkakaroon ng opportunity with you, gagrab pa rin niya to. Gagrab pa rin niya. Okay? Some of them stuck sila sa isang situation. Okay, so let's see. Action or outcome / advice for you, water signs. The Knight of Cups in reversed. Wag masyadong pagtuon ng pansin to. Oo. Yeah, and the Nine of Wands, 3 of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. This is like, sabihin nating kailangan nyo lang magtagpo ng taong to for you to grow. For them to grow. This is like a lesson. Kung papaano kayo matututo na humindi, kung paano kayo matututo na magbigay ng limit sa sarili, parang ganyan. Okay? So, pagkakaroon ng boundaries or pagkakaroon ng, sabihin natin parang matuto na hindi maging open palagi. Hindi ko alam Okay, kasi some of us, water signs, emotional yan. Parang okay, kailangan yung magtagpo ng taong to para matuto ka. Yung parang hindi na lang lagi emosyon ang inyong paiiralin. Some of you, kailangan nyo parang maging practical rin, maging strong, maging guarded, grounded. Okay? Ito yun, no? Okay, kaya Pentacles. Pentacles, that's being parang parte ng isang earth sign, like being grounded, practical. Hindi sinasabing maging ganun ka, pero kailangan balansihin. Mahirap to actually, nakikita ko dito. Pero hindi mo kailangan na magpakalugmok sa emosyon mo. Hindi mo kailangan magpatalo sa mga emosyon. Sa kung ano man ang meron. Kailangan mo rin talagang isipin pa rin yung victory mo. Success. Okay? So there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yung ating second YouTube channel. Don't forget, yung love letter. So, earth signs. So, ano bang emosyon ng person sa'yo this week? So, sino ba to? Earth signs. Who is this? Let's see. The King of Cups. Somebody who is so in love with you. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's with this King of Cups? This person is so mabait. Yeah, they're kind. Okay? The Hanged Woman. Some of them, they're too, sabihin nating, quiet. Marunong magpahalaga tong taong to. Alam nila kung anong sabihin nating kung sino ang dapat bigyang prioridad, kung sino ang dapat bigyang pansin, time, effort, whatsoever. They're in love with you. This person, they're in love. 7 of Swords. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Hanged Woman? The Star in reverse. Okay. So, I think some of you, itong taong to, kaya siya ganyan kasi na-trauma sila. Pwedeng nasabi niya sa'yo yun, pwedeng nabanggit niya, naikwento niya, kaya ako ganito, ganto, ganyan. Kasi ayokong mangyari na naman sa akin yung nangyari sa akin before na hindi okay. Ayoko nang maramdaman yon, the pain, the kung ano man. Ayoko nun. That is why. May pinanguhugutan siya. Yeah, the Chariot. They're trying to move on. Okay? Or trying to make actions. Para hindi hindi ulit mangyari or maranasan yung mga star in reverse niya before. The trauma. They're not healed actually. They're not. So, ano ba talaga yung naramdaman ng taong to sa'yo? Feelings, emotions, thoughts. The full universe, yeah. Andun yung parang ingat na ingat ng taong to, lahat ng aksyon, lahat ng galaw niya, lahat ng sasabihin niya pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Because they're trying to avoid this. The Three of Swords. They're trying to avoid this. Hanggat maaari, magiging open siya sa'yo. Hanggat maaari, transparent siya sa'yo. Kasi ayaw nilang masaktan. Maybe, iniisip nila na kapag ginawa ko to sa'yo, earth sign, ganon din yung gagawin mo sa akin. Magiging fair ka. Parang ganon. So, may hugot yung taong to. They're in pain, actually. Alam mo na aawa ko dito sa taong to. Sino man to. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. See? This is being transparent, open, clear. Naawa ko sa kanya. Okay, so let's see their next action for you, earth signs. Their next action this week. The Four of Wands in reversed. The World. Building. Para tong sabihin nating unti-unti tinutulungan din niya yung sarili niya na makarecover, no? Sa kung anong pain na dinana sa past. Okay? Para tong nagsisimula muli, the Fool. The Knight of Wands. Para tong nagsisimula muli, the Queen of Pentacles. This is like pagiging open, i-accept ka nito, kung ano man ang meron sa past mo, iintindihin niya lahat. You're kind. Ginagawa niya to because they are trying to avoid na matrauma na naman. Yes. Yeah, Eight of Cups. Meron silang inaalisan eh. Merong kinakalimutan. Parang ganon. Nagbibuild na itong taong to. Ipapakita niya sa'yo yung kung anong plano niya sa future. Yes, ipapakita niya, ipaparamdam niya sa'yo, nakasama ka niya sa mga plano niya, sa mga future, na kung ano man ang gusto niyang mangyari sa buhay niya, kasama ka. Parang ganun. Because they are afraid na maiwan. Opo. So, ano bang meron? Outcome / advice for you. The Hermit in reversed. Page of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, earth signs. Lower down your guard. Lower down your guard, please. Let them know kung ano ba ang emosyon mo for them. Kahit kaunti. Some of you, you're too guarded. Magmong hayaan. Oo. Ipakita mo. Yeah, see, the moon. Andyan yung parang secret. Andyan yung parang kailangan pang gumawa ng taong ito na kung ano-ano man para lang makita niya rin kung gusto mo siya or what. Some of you, you need to be more transparent then. for them na makita kung ano ba talaga. Because itong taong to, pinapakita niya kung anong meron, kung anong kaya niya. Kung anong kaya niyang ibigay sa connection na to. Okay? This is like opening up, unti-unti. Yun ang aking advice for you. Unti-unti. Hindi ko sinabing, okay, totally, ibigay mo, ipakita mo kung ano man. No. Let them know. Let them feel. Na sabihin natin, kung gusto mo. Pero kung ayaw mo, ipakita mo rin. Sabihin mo rin. Okay? Yeah. Temperance universe, Wheel of Fortune universe. This is pain. Sabihin nating imbalance. Okay? The Hermit universe, parang ito yung energy na ano bang meron dito. Parang ganon. Yeah. The Four of Pentacles. Somebody is holding back. Maybe you. Holding back, being guarded. So, yeah. Open naman kasi siya eh. Open siya. Hindi rin to gustong makasakit. Kung anong pinapakita niya sa'yo, yun. Yun na yun. Okay? That is why. Andun nga yung dumating sa punto sobrang plano tong taong to para lang maiwasan yung meron kang hindi magugustuhan, mga ganong bagay. Because they're afraid. Traumatized. Okay, so anyway, so yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.